Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming system readiness. Make sure your iPhone 16 Plus is updated to the latest iOS, then enable notifications and focus profiles so Dynamic Island has content to display. Once done, verify haptic touch and Face ID are configured because many controls rely on quick taps and long press interactions. Now lock and unlock the screen to let the system register settings. You'll know it's active when the pill area animates with media or timers. This is the foundation for all next steps. Next, trigger Dynamic Island by opening apps that provide live activities. Play audio, start a timer, or begin navigation. You'll see a compact pill, tap or long press to expand into controls for pause, skip, or route details. Swipe left or right to switch between concurrent activities and drag down from the top of the pill for quick access. To tailor behavior, go to Settings and adjust notifications and live activities permissions, so the island shows only the info you care about. Finally, expand your experience by installing apps that support live activities. These will populate the island with sports scores, rides, and deliveries. If the island becomes unresponsive, force quit the offending app or perform a quick reboot to clear glitches. If notifications or icons still don't appear, reset notification settings for that app and ensure background app refresh is enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle off focus mode briefly. Focus rules commonly hide Dynamic Island content, so make sure it is.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.